Hello and welcome to 30 Minutes. Over 6,000 children under the age of 6 die in our country every day. The reason? Hunger and malnutrition. India claims to have the largest initiative for children under 6 and yet ranks 94th out of 118 countries on the Global Hunger Index. This week, we make an attempt to find out why India's children are dying of hunger even when its food grain production is at an all-time high. Zehrunissa is at her son's grave. She lost her only son to hunger about 2 months ago. 4-year-old Khusbuddin was nothing but skin and bones and weighed a mere 6.5 kgs at the time of his death. His mother says there was never enough to eat.
वो कुपोषण का शिकार था. उसको मैं दूध दवा की मतलब कि पूरा नहीं कर पाती थी पैसे के कारण. उसकी वजह से उसकी मौत हो गई.
Abandoned by her husband, Zehrunissa is trying to stitch her life together. She has a daughter and an ailing mother to take care of. But after a whole day's work of embroidering saris, she's paid a meager 10 to 15 rupees. The poverty is just a constant reminder of the son she lost.
आज ये लोग इलाज से अगर मेरे बच्चे का इलाज हो जाता तो हो सकता मेरा बच्चा बच जाता है. इस बात का मुझे बहुत ज्यादा दर्द रहता है कि मैं पैसे के कारण अपने बच्चे को खाने पीने के कारण आज मैं अपने बच्चे को खो दिया. ये मत पूछिए.
A few kilometers away in another village near Varanasi, 6-year-old Shamim is also battling malnutrition. Unlike other kids his age, he's neither playful nor talkative. A severe deficiency of proteins and calories has given him a bloated belly and weakened his immune system.
इसको टीबी और गुर्दे में खराबी, हाथ पैर फूल जाता है, सांस फूलता है.
शमीम, दवाइयाँ नहीं चल रहा?
Shamim's father Khurshid is a skilled handloom weaver, but with the handloom industry in decline, he has been reduced to a casual labourer. Embroidering saris is just not enough to make ends meet.
बस दिन भर रियाज करेंगे तो 50 रुपया कम होता है, उसके ऊपर नहीं. अब घर में खर्चा कब 150 रुपया की है, उसके बाद खाली कर्जा होता है, भूखमरी होता है.
Zohra is aware that her son is malnourished and needs special care, but there's little she can do to follow the doctor's orders.
हाँ बताए मछली है, अंडा है, दूध है, ये सब उसको खिलाइए. वो सब है ही नहीं पास में मेरी. रोटी तो है ही नहीं है, तब ये सब कहाँ से खिलाएंगे.
Millions like Shamim fight hunger every day. There has been almost no change in the country's malnutrition rates over the last decade. The second National Family Health Survey conducted in 1998-99 showed that 47% children were undernourished. And in 2005-2006, the third National Family Health Survey shows pretty much the same results at 46%. Lalitpur in Uttar Pradesh is one district where about 60% children are malnourished. In the last 9 months in Talbehit block alone, 183 cases were reported, out of which 116 were severe. Local doctors say the biggest challenge is convincing parents that their children are undernourished.
पता ही नहीं है उनको. यहाँ आके उनको समझाया जाता है कि बच्चा बहुत ही ज़्यादा वीक है, आपको यहाँ ट्रीटमेंट देने की ज़रूरत है, एडमिट कीजिए. बहुत कन्विंस करके तब यहाँ एडमिट करना पड़ता है.
Hargovind is bringing up his 3 children all by himself. He lost his wife Sudha to kidney failure. After their 4th child, Sudha had become extremely weak and anemic. Soon after she died, their youngest child, Anil, was also fighting to survive.
अनिल 3 साल का बच्चा था हमारे यहाँ. 5 kg वेट था उसका. ग्रेड 4th मालरिस था. साथ में इन्फेक्शन भी थे उसको. एक्यूट गैस्ट्राइटिस की प्रॉब्लम थी, तो जिसकी वजह से जो भी खाना यहाँ पर दिया उसको डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो पाता था उसको.
जैसे अगर माँ न मरती तो बच्चा भी नहीं मर